Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how we can create Telegram public channel. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Telegram app and we're going to create a public channel. So the first thing we should do is click on this button. Then there will be three options for us, and since we want to create a channel, so we have to tap on this new channel and put the channel name right here, guys. For example, I'm going to put my channel or type my channel right here, and we can also put description right here. And after we put description, we can click on this check mark. All right, and since we want to make it public, we can click on public channel, and we can also type the link. So I'm just going to give you an example like this. Alright, and after that we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and we can add subscribers to our channel, but we can skip this step. So just click on this button if you want to skip the step. Alright guys, and now the channel has been created, and that's how we can create a public channel on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.